Ever forgotten your Wi-Fi password? Or want to see all saved networks on your PC? In this video, I'll show you how to find all Wi-Fi passwords using command prompt. No software needed. First, click on the Start menu. Type CMD. Then right-click and select Run as administrator. Now type this command. netsh wlan show profile. Press Enter. This will display all the Wi-Fi networks your computer has connected to. To get all the passwords at once, type netsh wlan export profile folder equals C \key equals clear. Then press Enter. This command exports all Wi-Fi profiles, including passwords, to your C drive. Now open File Explorer. Go to Local Disk, C. You'll see multiple files with names of your Wi-Fi networks. Open any file using a browser or notepad. Look for this line. Key material. That's your Wi-Fi password. That's it. You've successfully found all your saved Wi-Fi passwords. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tech tutorials.